Hello students, so in this video we will be solving last two questions from the topic parabola. Before watching this video, I recommend all of you to kindly watch parabola part 1 and part 2. Fine. So the question says an equilateral triangle OAB is inscribed in the parabola pi square equals to 4x with the vertex O of the equilateral triangle at the vertex of the parabola. Fine. Then the minimum distance of the circle having AB as diameter from the origin. I think this is a very straightforward question, very easy question, right? So this is vertex of the parabola and this is vertex of the equilateral triangle as well. Now think about it, because it is an equilateral triangle, the other side or the side opposite to vertex should be a vertical line, right? Otherwise symmetry will not be maintained, right? That means this angle should be 30 degrees and this angle will also be 30 degrees. I hope you understood this, right? To maintain the symmetry we are drawing this. Now any point on this parabola will be of the form at square comma 2at. What is 4a equals to 4? That means a is equals to 1. That means this point I am taking it as t square comma 2t. So automatically this point becomes t square comma minus 2t, right? Okay. So let us say this is a and this is b, right? As per the question. Then tan 30 degrees in this triangle OMA will be, opposite side is AM and hypotenuse is OM. So that should be, what is opposite side? 2t. And what is what is adjacent side? I'm sorry. Tan 30 is opposite by adjacent. Okay. So 2t divided by t square. So this should be 2 divided by t. And what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. So we get t as 2 root 3. That means coordinates of A will be 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3 square, right? 2 root 3 square should be 4 into 3 12 comma 2 into 2 root 3. That should be 4 root 3. Coordinates of B will automatically become 12 comma minus 4 root 3. Now we need a circle. We need a circle having AB as diameter, right? We need a circle having AB as diameter. So what is that equation of circle having AB as diameter? That should be x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2, right? Equals to 0. That means we can write it as x minus 12 whole square plus y square minus 4 root 3 whole square should be 16 into 3, 48. Now think about it. We need the circle. Now circle should be something like this, right? Circle may be something like this, right? So let me draw the circle equation something like this, right? Okay, doesn't look like a circle, but okay, assume that this is a circle. Now think about it. This point, let us say this point is t. Wherever the circle touches the x-axis at t, that should be the closest distance from the origin. If you take any other point, that distance will be more than this. I hope you understood. And that too, circle touches x-axis at 2 points, t1 and t2, but OT1 will be the minimum distance. I hope you understood this point, dear students. So for that matter, that means for minimum distance, put y equals to 0 firstly, right? And then we get x minus 12 whole square minus 48 is equals to 0. Therefore we can say x minus 12 whole square is equals to 48. X minus 12 is equals to plus or minus root 48. That should be 4 root 3, I believe. That means x is equals to 12 plus or minus 4 root 3, right? Now that means t1 will have the coordinates as 12 minus 4 root 3 comma 0, and t2 as per the curve should have coordinates as 12 plus 4 root 3 comma 0. Now what shall we take is the next question. So should we take it as t1 or t2? See, I have drawn it like this. Now t1 could be on the left side of y-axis also. I'm just drawing a rough diagram here. Or t1 could be on the right side also. Anyways, the minimum distance will be OT1 and that should be 12 minus 4 root 3, I guess. Under root 144 is 12 and under root 48. So that means 12 minus 4 root 3 is positive. So I can take 4 common. So this should be 3 minus root 3. So this should be the minimum distance, I think. So 4 times 3 minus root 3 should be the answer. That is option 4. That's it. Now let us go to the next question, dear students. Next question says, let O be the vertex of the parabola. Fine. Q be any point on it. Okay. Any point means parametric point. Okay. Parametric point. Let the locus of the point P, which divides the line segment OQ internal in the ratio 2:3 be the conic C. Okay. Then the equation of the chord of C, which is bisected at the point 1, 2. That means first we have to find the conic C. For that, vertex O of the parabola is 0, 0 and Q be any point. So let me take Q as, here the curve is something like this. So the parametric coordinates will be 280 comma 80 square, not 80 square comma 280. Think about it, replace x with the 280 and y with 80 square. This condition will be satisfied. And what is 4a equals to 4? A is equals to 1. That means q will have the coordinates as 2t comma t square. Dear students, make a note of it. Unlike the previous questions, here the parametric x and y coordinates be reversed, right? Because the curve is symmetrical with respect to y-axis. Anyways, let the locus of the point P which divides OQ internally in the ratio 2:3. That means now point P will be closer to origin. I hope you understood this because the ratio is 2:3. Let me take the coordinates of P as h comma k. Again, let us apply section formula. H will be equals to mx2, that is 2 into 2t plus nx1, that is 3 into 0 by 2 plus 3 is 5. And k will be mx2, that is 2 into t square plus nx1, that should be 3 into 0 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so we get h is equals to 4t divided by 5 and t is equals to 5h divided by 4. And similarly, k will be 2t square divided by 5. That means t square will be 5k divided by 2. And what is t? That is 5h by 4 whole square. Acha, t is 5h by 4. So 5h by 4 whole square is equals to 5k divided by 2. That means 25h square by 16 is equals to 5k divided by 2. That means this should be 5. This should be 8. So ultimately we get the equation of curve as 5 into x square is equals to 8 into y on replacing h and k with x and y. So we get the curve C also as a parabola. And curve C is 5x square minus 8y equals to 0, dear students. Acha, now we need the equation of the chord C which is bisected at the point 1, 2. Acha, we need to find whether 1, 2. Acha, we need the equation of chord which is bisected at the point 1, 2, whose equation is S1 equals to S11. Or some people also say that as S1 is equals to t, right? Whatever it is. Acha, what does S1 here refer to? S1 is the linear equation and S11 is a number, right? And how do we get that linear equation? X square will be replaced with xx1 and y will be replaced with y plus y1 divided by 2. Acha, what is x1 comma y1? x1 comma y1 are the coordinates of the point 1, 2. So 1, 2. So what do I get? S1 means 5 x into x1, that is 1, minus 8 into y plus y1 divided by 2 should be equals to t, S11 or t, S11 basically, that should be 5 into x1 square, 5 into 1 square minus 8 into 2. So we get 5x minus 4 times y plus 2 is equals to 5 minus 16 is minus 11. So we write 5x minus 4y minus 8 plus 11 is 3. So we get 5x minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0, right? This should be the equation of curve 5x minus, equation of chord bisected at 1, 2. So 5x minus 4y plus 3 is option 1. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, dear students. Meet you with the next one.